Hi there, thank you for stopping by. I feel like every time we talk about creamy spinach on YouTube, it's always with fresh spinach, and that's okay. But today I want to share with you my quick and easy recipe for this delicious dish that is made with frozen spinach. You will love it, guaranteed. We are using chopped spinach here, but you could also use cut leaf spinach. It's okay, but this is frozen spinach. I'm using 2 packets. So go ahead and open your spinach and pour it into a bowl and then just set it aside. You'll also need some yellow onions, some grated tomatoes, garlic, Parmesan cheese, and some heavy whipped cream alongside a few other ingredients. To cook this, start by melting 2 tablespoons of butter on a pan and then add your yellow onions. Fry those for about a minute. They don't have to brown, just cook them a little bit. And then go ahead and add your garlic. Garlic is optional in this recipe, guys. If you mind the strong flavor and aroma of garlic, you can skip it here. Then go ahead and add your grated tomatoes. I like to grate the tomatoes so they mix in nicely. Also, the slight sourness of the tomatoes is gonna blend really well with the slight sweetness of the heavy whipping cream, and it's just gonna add that creaminess to your dish and it will taste really good. So don't skip the tomatoes. Now season with salt and black pepper. If you want to add any other seasoning, feel free to do so. Mix those in, and now it's time to add the heavy whipping cream. I'm using 1¼ cups here. You could also add more or less depending on your liking. Just stir in the cream, and you can see that the sauce is still very light. So now we are going to add our Parmesan cheese, which are going to thicken up the sauce and add that nice aroma, nice flavor. So stir in the Parmesan cheese. About 3 tablespoons is what I'm using here. And you can see that the sauce is now thick. So now we are going to add in the vegetables. The spinach doesn't have to be pre-warmed. It can be frozen. Just go ahead and add it right away and then stir it in. Now, because it's frozen, of course, you want to cook this thoroughly. So you're going to simmer this for up to 10 minutes and stir occasionally so the creamy base of it doesn't burn at the bottom. So after 10 minutes, and stirring occasionally, your dish is ready. It's extremely creamy, so tasty, guys. I really think you would love this. Yeah, take a look at that. So you can serve this with any types of meats or, in any way you like to enjoy your creamy spinach. I served this with pork and ugali. This is how we would serve it in Kenya. I have the pork recipe on the channel if you want to check it out. It's really good. And the ugali is made of corn flour. This is something that's a staple in East Africa and especially Kenya, where I come from. So guys, try this recipe. Try it the way you like, with rice, anything else, and just enjoy, and do share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you very much for stopping by, and see you again.